Simms Taback's Farm Animals. Who am I? I have a snout. I have hooves. I have a curly tail. I can oink. I'm a pig. Who am I? I have a tail of feathers. I stand on 2 feet. I have 3 toes on each foot. I'm a rooster. Who am I? I have 2 horns. I have 2 pointy ears. I have a beard. I have hooves. I'm a goat. Who am I? I have black spots. I have hooves. I have an udder. Hold milk. Moo! Moo! I'm a cow. Moo! Moo! Who am I? I don't have toes. I have hooves. My hoofs are like your toenails. My coat is woolly. After I'm sheared, my wool is made into mittens, hats, and scarves. I'm a sheep. Who am I? My coat is brown. My mane is black. But I'm not a horse. I have short legs. I have hooves. I bray like a donkey. But I'm a mule. The end.
If you don't have Vooks, what are you waiting for? It's a kid-safe, ad-free library full of storybooks that are brought to life. Ask your grown-up and start exploring more fun stories like these. Seriously, you have to check it out.
Thanks for watching. For more stories, try the Vooks app for free today.